Fascinating insects. Insects are some of the most fascinating organisms on Earth. They eat, grow, move, reproduce, and breathe just like other living things. They make up the largest group of animals in the world. Some insects are harmful, while some are extremely useful to humans. Insects like honeybee and silkworm are really useful, but cockroaches, flies, and mosquitoes, on the other hand, are a nuisance. In this chapter, we'll talk about some insects that make their group really fascinating. Ants. Ants live in huge colonies. They are the most social animals. They are really interesting to study because their groups are highly complex and functioning for organisms of that level. Bees. Bees are also known to live in colonies that seem to follow strict rules. The bees live in hives. Each hive has a queen, workers, and drones. Bees make honey. Fleas. Fleas are a nuisance. They drink blood from their hosts and leave behind an itching sensation when they are done. But this is not what makes them special. Fleas can jump to ridiculous heights. A flea can jump up to 30 centimeters in the air. It is the same as a person jumping 800 feet. Cockroaches. Cockroaches are extreme survivalists. They can feed on almost anything. Their digestion power is incomparable. They are also believed to be the only organisms that will be able to survive nuclear weapons. Mantises. Mantises are very similar to grasshoppers. The mantis is interesting because after mating, the female eats the male's head. Mantises are also great at camouflage. The leaf mantis is a great example. Beetles. Beetles are among the strongest insects. Compared to their size, their strength is really unbelievable. Some beetles can lift 1,141 times their own weight. This is like a 70 kg person carrying 6 double-decker buses at once. Earthworms. Earthworms are not insects. They fall into the category of annelids. So are roundworms and hookworms. Diving beetles. They are really worth studying because they are really great hunters. They are renowned for hunting frogs, tadpoles, and even large fishes. Fireflies. Fireflies have an amazing ability to produce their own light. This is a wonder in the animal kingdom. This light is also used by the flies to communicate to each other. Stick insects. Stick insects are the master of disguise. Their body looks like a twig. When they are not moving, it is almost impossible to say if they are insects or just stick. They can also grow to 22 inches. Ladybugs. Ladybugs are the ultimate garden protector. They feed on insects bent on the destruction of plants. They are used in many places to replace harmful pesticides. Millipedes. Millipedes are the insects with the largest number of appendages. Although it varies with almost every individual, they normally have about 650 legs, which are 325 pairs. Horseflies. Horseflies are the fastest flying insects. They are known to reach speeds of up to 90 miles per hour. Cicadas. Some species of cicadas are known to be so loud that they can be heard for a quarter of a mile.